Hello, good evening. I take this opportunity to welcome you back to our class. Today we are looking at a new topic in Form 3 known as Commercial Arithmetic 2. I will take you direct to as a topic that is known as income tax. So we will start by looking at the basic terms used in income tax. I will start from the common term, which you all know. I will say A. We will talk of taxable income. Taxable income, which we always find by taking the basic salary then we add all the allowances. So far so good. We all know that if we want to obtain taxable income, we take the basic salary, then we add all the allowances. Under taxable income, we have two situations where the formula does not apply. For instance, I want us to give one situation where the employee is given a free house. You are working for the government, for instance, you are the employee of the government, and then the government decides to give you a free house. So, will that free house affect the way we will obtain taxable income? Yes, it will. So how? That's what I want to show you. So we will say, in case the employee is given a free house, by the employer. So in case an employee is given a free house by the employer, the way we will determine taxable income changes. So in this case we will say taxable income is equals to, we will take the basic salary, then we add 15% of the basic salary, then we add all the allowances. You can be able to note the difference. In this case, we are introducing 15% of the basic salary that should be added to the basic salary plus the allowances for us to obtain taxable income. So in any given question, if you are told that the employee was given a free house, then it means the way you will determine taxable income won't be the same as applying the first formula directly. Then you have to remember that you need to determine 15%, which is the same as 15 over 100 of the basic salary given. Then you add it to the basic salary, then you add all the allowances. I have a second situation whereby the employee is given a house, but he is paying the nominal rent. The case where the employee is given a house and he or she is supposed to pay a nominal rent. So if you are the employee and then you are given a house whereby you are supposed to pay a nominal rent. Are we going to apply any of these two formulas in getting the taxable income? No. So there is something that will change, and that's what I wanted to show you. We will now say taxable income is equals to the basic salary then we add 15, then we add 15% of the basic salary when you have removed the nominal rent. You remove the nominal rent. Then you now add any allowance that is given. So that's the difference. It resembles the case where you are given a free house, but here once you obtain 15% of the basic salary, 15% of the basic salary, 15% of the basic salary, you must remember to remove the nominal rent. You must remove the nominal rent. So what you obtain is what you add to the basic salary and the allowances to obtain taxable income. To obtain taxable income. Next, I want us to talk of a new term, which is payee. Into brackets, sometimes we use net tax. Net tax. So that's what I want us to look at. How to obtain payee, which means net tax. But payee. Pay stands for pay as you earn. So that's what it means. So when you are supposed to determine the tax, so what you do at this given point, you will say the payee is equals to total tax. That's when you have gone through the slabs and you have obtained the total tax. Now you subtract any relief given. So total pay, which we sometimes call net tax, is equal to total tax minus relief. It's called net tax minus relief. I want us to talk of my last term. In this case, it is going to be net income. Sometimes we use the word gross income. So that's the last term I want us to know. So to obtain net income, we will now take the taxable income minus taxable income minus, we will subtract a payee, which is our net tax. So taxable income, we remove the payee. When we have added any particular deduction that you might have, or deductions. So if there are deductions in your sum, ensure that you add all the deductions to the pay, then now you remove them from taxable income. You will obtain net income or gross income. This is the amount of money the employee will pocket after paying the tax and then paying enough. For example, in Jamaica, it can be a loan. So those are what we call all deductions. So once you add all the deductions and pay, now you move from taxable income. You will obtain the net income. You will obtain the net income. So I want us to look at an example. One particular example, very fast. So we can say the table below shows income tax rates. Income rates, income tax rates in a certain year. So I want us to draw the table very fast. Monthly income, which is given in Kenya shillings. The rate will be tax rate in each shilling. So we are given in terms of percentage. This is percentage. In terms of percentage, we are going to have 10, 15, that's difference of 5. Maximum is 30. Then we will have 0 to 10. Let me write very fast. I don't need to that. 0 all the way to 10, 164. Then we have 10, 165 to 19, 740. Then we have 19, 741 to 29, 316. We have 29, 317 minus 38, 892. Then we have 38, 893 and above. And anything above there. So the question says, in that year, Juma earned a salary of Kenya shillings 41,000. Determine Juma's income tax. Determine Juma's income tax per month, given that he is given a tax relief of Kenya shillings 1,162. Kenya shillings 1,162. So solution, I want you to try doing this kind of a question. Because of time, I will give you a solution in my second lesson so that we compare what you have gotten and what we will get together. Thank you for listening to me. God bless you. See you in the next lesson. Bye.